Before buying a die-cutting machine, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, INFUNLY die cuts. Let's kick things off with the INFUNLY 15 PCS Happy Mother's Day die cuts. Priced at just $8.39, this set immediately caught my eye because of its beautiful variety of holiday-themed words. If you want to add a personal touch to your cards, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 15 different holiday words like Happy Birthday and Merry Christmas, these metal die cuts make it incredibly easy to create heartfelt greeting cards. Made from durable carbon steel, they're designed to last through many crafting sessions without breaking or fading. Plus, they're super simple to use. Just place them on your cardstock, run it through your die-cut machine, and voila! You get stunning designs that are perfect for any occasion. Now, some people complained about the need to run the cuts through the machine multiple times for a clearer pattern. Here's the thing though, while it can be a bit frustrating, once you get the hang of it, the results are well worth the extra effort. If you're patient and willing to experiment, you'll find this set enhances your DIY projects beautifully. This is perfect for you if you're just starting out in card making and want an affordable way to impress your friends and family. Skip this one if you prefer a machine that does all the work for you. For the price, it offers fantastic value for budding crafters. Now, if the INFUNLY set's manual process bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit. Next up is the Sizzix Sidekick Starter Kit, retailing at $59.99. This portable manual die cutting and embossing machine is perfect for all your arts and crafts. If you want something compact yet effective, this one's definitely worth considering. What really stands out is its portability. The 635 cm opening is compatible with a variety of Sizzix dies and embossing folders, so you can cut a range of materials from cardstock to paper effortlessly. Plus, the vacuum seal feature ensures stability on your workspace, which is a game changer when you're cutting intricate designs. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit small, especially for larger projects. I'll be real with you, if you're planning on working with big pieces of paper regularly, this might not be your best bet. However, for beginners and casual crafters, it strikes a great balance between size and functionality. This is perfect for you if you love crafting on the go and want a reliable tool to start with. Skip this one if you need a machine that can handle larger projects. Overall, it's a solid investment for your crafting journey. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more versatility. Product number 3, Sizzix Tim Holtz Sidekick. Coming in next is another gem from Sizzix, the Tim Holtz Sidekick Starter Kit, priced at $75.19. Right away, you'll notice its stylish design, but what catches my attention is its functionality for crafting enthusiasts. If you want a reliable machine that looks good on your desk, consider this one. This machine is also portable and easy to use, making it perfect for both beginners and seasoned crafters alike. It boasts a vacuum seal for stability, and with its compatibility with various Sizzix dies, you can create beautiful designs without much hassle. Additionally, it comes with a complete starter kit, which means you get everything you need right out of the box. However, I did see some reviews mentioning that the opening could be limiting for larger dies. Here's the thing, if you're just diving into die cutting, this might not be as much of an issue, but it's something to consider if you plan on scaling up your projects. This is perfect for you if you want a stylish and functional machine that's easy to transport. Skip this one if you foresee needing to work with larger materials frequently. It's a great entry point into the world of crafting. Now, if the smaller opening is a concern for you, the next product on our list offers a larger cutting area. Product number 4, Fine Scraploom's Die Cutting Machine. Next, we have the Fine Scraploom 6-in Die Cutting Machine, priced at $58.99. This manual embossing machine is designed specifically for beginners, and honestly, it's a pretty impressive start for anyone looking to get creative. If you want a straightforward machine without the frills, this could be a great fit. What's really cool about this machine is its focus on simplifying the DIY experience. With a weight of just 10.4 pounds and dimensions that allow for easy storage, it's user-friendly. This machine can handle various materials, making it versatile for scrapbooking, card making, and more. It's a great option for those who want to experiment without a huge commitment to technology. However, some users reported that the instruction manual could be clearer, which honestly surprised me. It's not a deal breaker, but if you're not the type to troubleshoot or figure things out independently, that could be a bit frustrating. That said, once you get things set up, it works like a charm. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an uncomplicated die-cutting machine to get started. Skip this one if you prefer a machine with extensive features. With a budget-friendly price, it's a solid choice for beginners. Now, if you're looking for something more advanced, the next pick might just be the answer you're searching for. Product number 5, Fine Scraploom's 9-inch opening machine. Finally, we have the Fine Scraploom's 9-inch opening die-cutting machine, which retails for $94.99. From the moment you see this machine, you can tell it's made for serious crafters. If you want a machine that can handle more substantial projects, look no further. This machine comes with a complete set, including colorful cardstock and various cutting plates, which means you can start crafting right away. The 9-inch opening is a significant upgrade over smaller machines, allowing you to cut larger materials with ease. Plus, its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use, which is perfect for those with limited crafting space. However, some reviews pointed out that it can be a bit heavy at 19 pounds, making it less portable than smaller options. Here's the thing though, if you plan on using it at home and not moving it around, the weight really shouldn't deter you. It's built to deliver more power for larger projects. This is perfect for you if you're serious about your crafting and need a machine that can grow with your skills. Skip this one if you need something lightweight and portable for travel. It's a solid investment for anyone looking to dive deeper into die cutting. So there you have it. The INFUNLY die cuts for those looking for affordable personalization, the Sizzix Sidekick for portability, the Tim Holtz Sidekick for style, the Fine Scraploom 6-in for simplicity, and the 9-inch model for serious crafters. Each has its strengths, so think about what fits your crafting needs best.